Welcome student. Welcome student. So in the revision we are going to this point of Harappan civilization, that is trade. So let us uh, revise this point, that the this point. Okay, so let us read and have an explanation, with explanation. Okay, the Harappan people.
प्लॉट करायचं ना पॉइंट मी काढू शकत नाही का तू असं फिगर काढायचे तुला ह्याला पी नाव द्यायचं
The Harappan people carried on trade.
पॉइंट्स मध्ये एक करेक्शन देणार आहे नॉट कोडिंग म्हणजे जे करेक्शन येत नाही ते
The Harappan people carried on trade within India as well as with countries outside. The the Indus Valley was known for its uh, high quality cotton. This cotton was exported to other regions like West Asia, South Europe, and Egypt. So here the Harappan peoples, uh, having the different factories also, and having the production of different produce. The Harappan people, having the trade within India and as well as the other countries outside, they produced cotton and exported to the other regions of the West Asia, uh, Southern Europe and Egypt. So cotton clothes too was exported. So they are expertise in the production of cotton, that was exported from Harappan peoples to the other Southern Europe and Egypt and West Asian countries. Harappan civilization, the traders of Harappan civilizations provided muslin clothes to Egypt, silver, zinc, gemstone, rubies, devdar woods were some of the items that were imported from Kashmir. So these are the produce which are produced in Kashmir. South India, Iran, Afghanistan, and Baluchistan trade was carried out on both by land route and sea route. Some of the excavated seal bear picture of ship. A huge dockyard has been discovered at Lothal. The trade of Harappan civilization was carried along a coastline in Arabian Sea. So these peoples are basically traders and well developed industrialists in different produce, that is agricultural produce and metals also. They exported their muslin cloth, they provided muslin cloth to the Egypt, silver, zinc, gemstone, rubies, and other agricultural produce also imported from Kashmir to the southern India, to the southern part of India, Iran, as well as Afghanistan and Baluchistan. here is a picture of dockyard from this export the different produce to the other countries. This is type of a dockyard where the produce are exported or imported. This picture is imaginary reconstructed with the help of the remains of the Harappan civilization. So only remains gives us an idea about the how much these Harappan civilized people having a major trade because of their major wakars, the industries and the trading unit, while ships and the design of the bank of the sea route was so advanced that a ship can be entered in that area and the loaded produce are unloaded in the dockyard. So they have advanced type of dockyard. So these civilized peoples are having a great trade with the other countries of the different production and having the facility for export in a great design manner. Okay, next point, reasons for the decline of the Harappan civilization. These peoples developed a well flourished civilization with their skill and culture. Frequent flood, invasion by foreign tribes, decline in trade were some reasons of the decline of the Harappan civilization. Some regions became arid due to weakening of monsoon. So the Harappan tradings are basically depends upon the agricultural based industries, but there is weakening of monsoons. This weakening of monsoons, drying up the river basin, that frequently happens of the earthquake and the changes in the sea level resulted into the declining in the agricultural activities of these people. So the people migrated to the other places. So these cities which are flourished in the time of Harappan civilizations leading to the decline. The Harappan civilization was a prosperous and flourishing urban civilization.
Yes.
It lays the foundation of Indian civilization. The root of the Indian civilizations are found in the Harappan civilization. This Harappan civilization next further transform or reform into the Indian civilization. Okay.
पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्फरन्स कुठे येतो तो कुठे आहे?
So, student, here we completed this lesson. Okay. Here are some toys which are made of these toys are produced by the Harappan industries. Okay.